Why?
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rawr, extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses get nicky like you told them until they hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wonky. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy like these nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. You don't see it coming.
Fuck you, dude! Fuck you! Fuck this level! Yes! Fuck off! I actually fucking hate this level! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you, you piece of shit! Go fuck yourself! Go fuck yourself, you piece of shit! Oh my fucking god! Fuck you, dude! Actually, oh my fucking god! Dude, my reaction is because I never have to play this garbage fucking level. God, like genuinely fuck this level. Genuinely fuck this level, dude. This level is so fucking good. Dude, I fucking hate this level. Like, this is so fucking bad, dude. Like, no. Fuck off. Like, I actually fucking hate this level so much. This is legit the most unenjoyable experience I've had with a level.